In this video I am going to show you how to make this amazing text highlight effect using CapCut. So I will be using this image for this tutorial. So import it to the timeline. Then go to text and add a default text to the timeline. Now we will extend the duration of the text to match our footage on the main layer. Then go to basics and change the color to any color you want to use, but I will be using orange for this tutorial. Then when you are done, go to the text area, then type _ twice. Now scroll down till you find uniform scale, then toggle it off. And this will help us manipulate the width and height of the text ourselves. So first increase the height of the underscore till it can cover the text you want to highlight. Then position it on top of the text. So now I will zoom into my footage a bit. Now use the scale width to increase the width of the underscore till it can cover the text you want to highlight. Then position it on the text. So under Basic, scroll to Blend, then decrease the opacity a bit. Then position it well on the text you want to highlight. Then when you are done, go to Opacity again, then increase to 100. So now let's add some animation to the text. Go to Animation, and we will be using an animation for this tutorial. So under In Animation, look for Wipe Right, and that's what I will be using for this tutorial, but you can also use any in animation that you want. So select Wipe Right Animation, then increase the duration to the duration that you want. So I will set my at 1.0 seconds. So now we have to make duplicates of our text, and I will make them one after the other. So right click on the text, then click on Copy, then paste it on top of the main text. And position the beginning of your duplicated text at where the animation of the first text ends. So I will zoom out on the preview. Then I will move it to cover the next line I want to highlight. Then I will create another duplicate. Then I will move the text to where the animation of the second text ends. Then position it to cover the next line I want to highlight. So I will make another duplicate, then position it on the next line I want to highlight. So when you are done, select all the text, then trim it to match the main footage. So just press W on the keyboard to do just that. So our fourth line of text was short, so we will decrease the width to match it. So scroll to Scale Width, then use the slider to decrease it. Then position it on top of the text. And also, since our fourth line is short, I will also decrease the duration of the animation. So select it, then go to Animation, and decrease the duration of the animation. So select all the text and create a compound clip. Then go to Basic, then scroll to Blend. Click on the drop-down menu, then select Multiply. And as you can see, our text highlight has been created. So if you have any question, drop it in the comments section. And if you like this video, give us a like and also subscribe. See you in the next video.